Hey guys, I wanted to do a video or review on this Icy Breeze cooler and tell you what I think. We bought it for one of our vehicles. The air kind of was struggling, so this could kind of help with cooling it a little more. So, and of course it has other applications, but we just thought we'd buy it for that. Yeah, so some of the features that we liked on it is that it has wheels, which is pretty cool. It has a handle that's pretty cool. It can be portable or it can hook up into a car, and that's pretty cool. It has this flexible tube, and that was pretty cool. So wherever you're at in a vehicle or outside, you can just aim it towards you. If you don't want to do that, you can put it back in and just use these vents. They look like car vents. And one real cool feature about this is that it has a heat exchanger, or like a radiator. So you have to keep water in it. The water goes through the system and it helps cool down the air even cooler. So it's not just using ice like a homemade one would do. So I built a homemade. I wasn't really happy with it, so then I bought this. Now, not to say this is better than this. This just seems more convenient. This was more powerful actually. But yeah, so again, those are some of the features. You have to buy their battery because they say that if you use like a battery from a drill, it can mess up the unit, and it just can mess up the unit. So because drill batteries have like they have a strong, it's a battery for strong bursts of energy, they say, versus this is just kind of continuous power. So this is so they say that using a drill battery, you can use one, but they say it could possibly mess it up. So I just bought their battery. I think it was about $70. So this came out to be $400 altogether. This was around $2 to build. But yeah, but this came with a lot more features. So, and then look, you can put cups or beer or whatever on top. Like I said, I think I already mentioned the heat exchanger. But anyway, yeah, so this is a cooler that it has a lot of cool features, right? I think you definitely, I don't want to say you get your money's worth, but you get a lot of features for your money. I don't know if it's worth it. Again, it's not as powerful as this, but it's more versatile, and it seems like it can last continuously longer than this. I guess you can keep this hooked up to your car for a long period of time if you wanted to, but if I wanted to take this out the car, I could. And I can also hook it up to the car as well if that battery got low. So yeah. So anyway, this is just another quick video. This is a pest control video. We talk about bed bugs, mosquitoes, dealing with roaches. So if you need an exterminator in the Tulsa area, you can give us a call at 918-892-5254. Or if you just have a question about pests, just subscribe to our channel and leave us a question. We appreciate it. All right, thanks guys.